wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bat houses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're not sure exactly what type of bat you have flying around your yard, the planted perfect is capable of accommodating virtually any species. The wood is pretty thin though, so regardless of which creatures decide to nest inside, they'll likely tear it up before long. The bottom drains easily, nevertheless it warps in wet conditions, and it requires staining or painting. At number 9, the fur in this houseables kit is grooved, giving your insectivores a surface they can cling to effortlessly. Unfortunately, other creatures, especially wasps, will likely find it inviting as well, so you'll probably have to clean it out periodically. It's a simple and attractive design, but it struggles in high winds, and it isn't sealed against the weather. Coming in at number 8 on our list. With a single chamber, the woodlink audubon nabat is only capable of supporting up to 20 bats. That's perfect for anyone looking for a basic starter kit, but those with experience attracting and maintaining a colony will likely want to find something more expansive. It does come with pre-drilled installation holes and is ideal for pole mounting. However, the zinc-plated screws are prone to rusting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bat houses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Looker Product single chamber is made from a combination of 3/4-inch exterior grade plywood and weather-resistant cedar, helping it to survive both the elements and rough use from its tenants. Despite the fact that it only has one chamber, it can hold up to 100 animals. The rugged surface offers a good footing, and there's an opening at the bottom for waste, but it requires lots of space to hang. Moving up our list to number 6. This selection from Evergreen Garden makes it easy for rookies to get their first community started, as it comes with a metal hook for mounting. No complicated installation necessary. With room for only 12 flowers though, you'll likely need to upgrade before long. This is a good budget option that's made of weather-treated wood. However, the bottom needs reinforcing. Halfway up our list at number 5. Having a few flying predators around to keep the mosquitoes under control is one thing, but supporting an entire colony is another. The belfry habatat holds 25 individuals, which should be more than enough to reduce the pest population without being overwhelming. The long screws allow for placement options, and this one's ideal for flush mounting, but it does emit a strong cedar smell. At number 4, if you live in an area that's prone to inclement weather, the Kenley outdoor box is worth considering, as it's made out of rot-resistant cedar. The 2 internal chambers increase your odds of maintaining a stable temperature, which the little flowers love. It ships pre-assembled, with a hanger for easy pole mounting and helpful instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The landing pad inside the Looker Products triple chamber is lined with nylon mesh, giving the critters something to hang from and making it convenient for them to move between the 3 chambers, while the sealed upper panels offer protection from the rain. This one's easy to paint if so desired and can support an entire colony. It comes with ideas for setup locations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bat houses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, created from select grade pine, the applewood outdoor premium is capable of acting as home to multiple generations of winged visitors. The company only uses lumber that's free of knots, reducing the risk of sap odors that can drive away your prospective tenants. The dark color maximizes heat absorption, and this one comes pre-stained with grooved interiors for comfy roosting. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you think the Uncle Dunkels triple chamber looks like it's made out of tree bark, you hopefully won't be alone. Bats love to nest in wood peelings, and this box will make them feel right at home, so they'll be less likely to want to move into yours. It's got a capacity of 300 creatures and is crafted from all natural materials. It's heavy and durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bat houses, or simply click beneath this video.